In the plant kingdom, some species break all the rules. They don't just wait for nutrients, they hunt for them. Carnivorous plants are nature's quiet predators, thriving in bogs and swamps where most plants struggle. Evolution has shaped them into ingenious hunters, capturing and digesting insects to survive where nutrients are scarce. These plants have developed clever traps, snapping jaws, sticky leaves and deadly pools to turn the tables on the animal world. Our journey will reveal their cunning strategies and the remarkable adaptability that lets them flourish in the harshest environments. Carnivorous plants remind us that survival isn't about size or speed, but about finding unique ways to thrive. As we explore their secrets, we'll see how these silent hunters challenge our ideas about what plants can do. The story of carnivorous plants is a lesson in evolution, ingenuity, and the endless inventiveness of nature. What truly makes a plant carnivorous? It's not just about catching an insect by chance. First, the plant must actively attract and trap its prey, using lures like nectar, color, or deceptive patterns. Next, it must digest the captured animal, producing its own enzymes to break down the prey's tissues. Finally, the plant absorbs the nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus, directly through its leaves or traps. This full cycle, lure, capture, digest, and absorb, sets true carnivorous plants apart. They're not just sticky leaves, they're specialized predators, evolved to supplement their diet in nutrient-poor soils. Each adaptation is a product of natural selection, making these plants masters of their niche. Carnivorous plants blur the line between plant and animal, playing an active role in their ecosystem. Their unique abilities make them some of nature's most intriguing creations. Carnivorous plants use a variety of ingenious traps, each tailored to their environment and prey. Pitfall traps, like those of pitcher plants, lure insects with nectar and colors, then trap them in a pool of digestive fluid. The slippery rim and waxy walls make escape impossible, turning the pitcher into a deadly prison. Flypaper traps, such as sundews, use sticky, glistening droplets to ensnare insects, with leaves that slowly curl around their victims. Snap traps, like the Venus flytrap, are the most dramatic. Trigger hairs sense movement, and the trap snaps shut in a split second. Each strategy is a marvel of efficiency, honed by millions of years of evolution. Whether passive or active, these traps are perfectly designed for their purpose. The diversity of their methods highlights the creativity of nature's engineering. Watching these plants in action is a rare glimpse into the secret lives of botanical hunters. Let's look closer at how these traps work. The Venus flytrap's snap is powered by rapid changes in water pressure within its cells, not muscles. When trigger hairs are touched, the leaf snaps from convex to concave, closing in less than a second. Pitcher plants use vibrant colors and intoxicating nectar to lure prey, while their slippery rims and thick digestive fluids ensure escape is impossible. Sundews produce sticky mucilage laced with digestive enzymes, and their tentacles slowly curl to maximize contact with the prey. Bladderworts, aquatic carnivores, use tiny bladders under negative pressure. When triggered, the trapdoor opens and sucks in prey instantly. Each mechanism is a masterpiece of adaptation, perfectly suited to the plant's habitat. These traps are not just passive structures, they're dynamic, responsive, and incredibly efficient. Even underwater, carnivorous plants like bladderworts display some of the fastest movements in the plant world. The diversity and sophistication of these traps reveal the extraordinary lengths plants will go to survive. Once the prey is caught, digestion begins. The trap itself acts as the plant's stomach, secreting enzymes to break down proteins and chitin. The resulting nutrient-rich soup is absorbed through specialized glands in the trap. Nitrogen and phosphorus, scarce in the soil, are drawn into the plant's vascular system to fuel growth and reproduction. The process is slow, often taking days, but it's highly effective. After digestion, only the indigestible exoskeleton remains, blown away by wind or left to collect at the bottom of a pitcher. This cycle of capture, digestion, and absorption is a brilliant adaptation to harsh environments. Carnivorous plants have turned their leaves into both trap and table, feasting on the animal world to survive. Why did these plants evolve to eat animals? The answer lies in their environment. Carnivorous plants grow in bogs and swamps where the soil is acidic, waterlogged, and poor in nutrients. Nitrogen and phosphorus, essential for growth, are scarce because decay is slow and minerals aren't released into the soil. Most plants can't survive here, but carnivorous plants found a solution. Get nutrients from animals instead. Their roots anchor them and draw water, but their leaves act as a second root system, mining nutrients from captured prey. Insects provide the minerals these plants can't get from the ground, like a vitamin supplement, not a source of energy. They still rely on sunlight for energy through photosynthesis. Without animal prey, these plants survive but remain small and weak. Carnivory is an ingenious adaptation, letting them thrive where others fail. Their meaty diet is all about survival in the world's toughest soils. The Venus flytrap and pitcher plant are the superstars of the carnivorous world. The Venus flytrap, native to the Carolinas, uses snapping jaws triggered by sensitive hairs, requiring 2 touches to avoid false alarms. Each trap can only close a few times before dying, so every meal counts. Pitcher plants, found worldwide, use passive traps. Vivid colors, sweet nectar, and slippery surfaces lure and imprison prey. Some, like the Nepenthes, grow pitchers large enough to trap small mammals. The design is a one-way street. Once inside, escape is impossible. Unlike the Venus flytrap, a single pitcher can catch hundreds of insects over its life. Both plants showcase the diversity of strategies in the carnivorous world. Their unique adaptations have made them icons of botanical ingenuity. Carnivorous plants are a diverse family, with over 600 species and a stunning variety of traps. Butterworts use sticky, greasy leaves to catch insects like natural flypaper. Bladderworts, the most numerous, use underwater suction traps to capture tiny aquatic creatures in milliseconds. The cobra lily, with its hooded, snake-like pitcher, tricks insects with false exits and regulated water levels. The waterwheel plant, an aquatic cousin of the Venus flytrap, snaps shut on tiny prey with remarkable speed. Each group has evolved its own unique solution to the problem of nutrient-poor habitats. Carnivory has evolved independently in several plant families, a striking example of convergent evolution. These plants prove that there's no single path to becoming a hunter. Their diversity is a testament to nature's creativity and adaptability. The world of carnivorous plants is far richer and stranger than most people ever imagine. Carnivorous plants are more than curiosities. They're windows into evolution and adaptation. They show how life can thrive in the harshest environments, blurring the line between plant and animal. Scientists study their enzymes for medicine and biotechnology, and their rapid movements inspire new materials and robotics. Understanding their genetics could help us grow crops in poor soils. In their native habitats, they control insect populations and support unique ecosystems. Some creatures, like mosquito larvae and spiders, live safely inside their traps, creating tiny worlds within a leaf. Sadly, many carnivorous plants are threatened by habitat loss and overcollection. Protecting them means preserving delicate wetlands and the balance of life they support. These plants spark wonder and curiosity, inspiring conservation and a deeper appreciation for nature's ingenuity. Their survival is a powerful reminder of why every corner of our natural world matters.